Welcome to another Tech in a Sec. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Panasonic UB820 and the high-end Panasonic UB9000. Now, this is the very highly acclaimed player, considering that the Oppo player is not in business, so this might take the crown. So guys, please, if you like what I'm doing here, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know that you guys are viewing this and enjoying it. So in today's video, in this video, I'll be unboxing this and giving you my first impression. And then later we'll be doing for this bad boy. Of course, there's going to be a comparison between these two. And let's see if this is worth 4 times the price. So it's this one. This is the UB820 from Panasonic. Now, even though this is not their higher end player, it still has all of the features, like the latest decoding from Dolby Atmos, the latest sound decoding from Dolby Atmos and DDSX, and also visually it does Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and the normal HDR. So let's take a look at the box. You've got the remote, very small remote, and you've got this, and that's it, really. Nothing too fancy about that. That was the power cord, and of course you've got the batteries. So here's the device. You have this amazing pop-up thing if you want to display it, but you could remove it if you want. It's very sleek looking, very light. Everything is plastic made. Here you've got a USB 3.0 here, but here it says if you need for hard drive use, rare USB. And you've got a nice simple display panel here, and of course this one, when it ejects the disk or you want to place the disk, it will push this out automatically. And here you've got your 2 buttons, open and close, and on and off button. Very simple. So guys, this is the back panel. As you could see, starting from right to left, well, depending on how you're watching this, you've got your power point here. You've got a fan. To be honest, I don't think you will hear the fan much. You've got 2 HDMI outputs. Now, one is specifically for audio and one has both audio and video. So this is great if you have an old receiver that doesn't decode the latest 4K signal. So you could stream this to your display and this to your receiver. Or you could just use one HDMI for both. Here you've got a USB 3.0. Now this is used for your hard drive. In saying that, it's sad to say that Panasonic will not accept will not accept Dolby Atmos or DTSX files from your MKV. So that might be something to think about if you're going to use this as your, let's say, HTPC player, or if you have a lot of videos on your hard drive. You've got your normal LAN, you've got your analog output here. It's a 7.1 analog output, and you've got your optical cable out. So this is just a quick look at the Panasonic UB820. Please wait until we're gonna unbox now the UB9000, and we're gonna have a comparison between the two. So this is a quick look of how it is, and to tell you the truth, the build quality is not bad. Thank you.